Hello, my friends. Today I present to you how to create long and short movie stories in high quality with just one click using artificial intelligence, without editing, on a single website that offers you a lot to make a lot of money. Let's start working. Go to Google and type Artflow AI. Wait here and click on the first search result. This is the website interface. It contains a large collection of videos created through it, and the results are more than amazing. There are long and short videos of high quality that resemble cinematic films. But now, let's start by signing up for the website. Click on Sign Up. Here, there are two ways to sign up, either by creating an email or by using your existing email. If you already have an account, log in with it, and if you don't, create one. I'll be signing up using my email. After signing up, here you will find all the website's features that allow you to produce a video. Let's go from here and check out some of the site's results. There are many results. Let's try this result, for example, which looks realistic. This story is about astronauts on the planet's surface.
It's a hidden truth.
Let's try another result, which also looks very realistic. The story results are very good and the quality is high, but let's start making our own video. Follow the video to the end, and you will be amazed by the result the website creates. Click on My Stories, and from here we start creating the story. Click on Create Your First Story. Here, the website asks you how you want to create the story. Do you have the complete story plot, or do you only have a title? Choose any method, as both will create the story you want. I have a story title, and I want the website to generate a story based on it. This is the interface that appears. Here, the website asks what the age of the target audience for the video is. There are some age options suggested by the website, and you can choose from them. I will target young adults and others. Then click on this arrow to continue. Here, write the title of the story you want to create, or if you don't have a title, the website suggests some titles that you can use. For example, I ask it to create a story about the history of ancient civilizations. Here, the website asks you what type of story you want. There are many types, like romance, comedy, horror, history, and others. Since my video is about ancient history, I will choose history. Here, write a brief description of the story, or just repeat the title of the story, or just repeat the title, then click on Generate Story Outlines and wait for a few minutes. The website has now identified the type of story and prepared the character names and the complete plot. To continue, click on Create this story and wait for a few minutes. Here, the website shows you the video dimensions, allowing you to choose the type of video you want, a vertical shorts video or a horizontal long video. I will choose the long video size. Here, the website shows you several styles, all of which are free. You can choose the style that suits you. I will leave this style as it is, and will continue. Click on Continue to Character Creator. These are the scenes generated for the story. Wait a few minutes for the loading to complete. This is the result after the loading is done, and these are the main characters in the story. You can edit the character from here. Here, you can edit the lines spoken by the characters as you like. I will leave it as is and return once again to this interface, then click on Continue to Storyboard and wait for a few seconds. Here is the conversation between the characters, and here are all the character images created by the website. There are so many. The website also lets you choose the most suitable image for each scene. You can try any scene image and choose the look you find most realistic. This is one of the best websites for creating long videos ever. Feel free to customize the scenes. As we said, here are the words spoken by the characters, and you can modify them. But let's continue to the export process. Click on Export, and the website shows you the time it takes to finish the video, but it won't take that long, and the export will finish quickly. Once the export is complete, you can download the video to your device in very high quality. Let's see the final result of the story created by the website. I will mute the audio to avoid any copyright issues with the music in the video. The story is finished, and it really looks high quality and more than excellent. Finally, if you've made it to the end of the video, you are interested in this field, I hope you have benefited from this amazing website. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments, and stay tuned for more videos in the coming days. Goodbye.